Okay, for this 2.4 assignment, you're going to have to create and build a alarm system, and there's a bunch of different ways you can do that. There's, if you are looking at the Google Doc right here, this video right here is going to explain what the different types of alarms you can make, but I'm going to give you a little more explanation right now. So you've been exploring inputs and outputs. Okay, like this pressure sensor. This was an input device. When there's pressure applied to it, it sends information into the computer. Okay, the flex sensor was another type of input device. Okay, you're going to be using these to create a security device. Okay, you're going to be needing to use output sensors or output devices like this buzzer gives an output of some sound, or one of the LED lights that gives some light off. Okay, so if you're thinking about building an alarm system, there's 3 different types of alarms you can build. One is a notebook of secrets. Okay, right here, notebook of secrets. 2, a device that sounds an alarm when a spy removes a priceless object from a locker box or a safe. Or 3, you need to know if somebody's entered a restricted area. Those are the 3 types of alarms you can build. So to start with, you're going to answer some questions right here. To plan out, what do you need to protect? What do you need to protect it from? And how are you going to protect it? What tools? So like, are you going to use a pressure sensor? Or are you going to use a flux sensor to know if something got opened? Those are the types of things you're thinking about.